If you're wondering what my membership Bayit Builders actually looks like inside, I'm going to walk you through it so you can see exactly how you'd use it. Doors are open to new members this week if you decide it's for you. I'm not going to just show you where things are. I'm going to show you how this actually works in real life, especially if you're building a Jewish life without a lot of structure or support. Here we've got the main page. This is where you'll land. It's got the announcements, meeting times, quick links, and it links you to the onboarding document here, which has more information and advice on where you can start and how you can sync your calendar to the Bayit Builders calendar. This is where you check what's happening this week. You don't have to go hunting for information or remember everything, especially once you get linked up to the calendar. Next is the content page. This is really the heart of the Bayit. If you don't know where to begin, the Getting Started Your Journey Begins guide takes you through the Bayit blueprint, which helps you find where you are in your journey and what good next steps might look like for you. What you need to be focusing on right now, but more importantly, what you shouldn't be focusing on right now. We want to remove decision fatigue and give you directions on what's next. Live session replays are what they sound like. This is where you can find our topic schmoozes and our monthly Q&As, and also our Navigating the Holidays Q&As that we have before every holiday. On the topic schmooze, we've been working through a conversion test of different topics within Judaism. So if you can't make something live, or if you just want to hear again how someone else was thinking through this, you have access to the replays. Next, we have the monthly planning workshops. This is a short video and workbook that kind of tees up the coming Jewish month, tells you what you can expect, and the workbook walks you through ideas for goal setting for the coming month. So instead of wondering what should I be doing this month, you actually have a way to set intentions and make it real. The Tools and Resources page is kind of what it sounds like. Our latest resources were the Jewish History at a Glance cheat sheet and the Converts Who Shaped Jewish History. This is where you'll find different tools and resources, some with videos to walk you through how to use them. The full list of tools and resources is here in the attachments. Next, we have the discussions board. In our live meetings and the discussion board, this is where our conversations happen. You can ask questions, share what's going on, and see how other people are navigating similar things, because you are not the only one figuring this out. Now, the last thing that I want to show you is the search bar. This search bar is so powerful, it searches literally everything, including the transcripts of videos and into the text of PDFs. So here, just searching Shabbat, you can see every video that Shabbat was mentioned in. You see the transcripts, the chapters, like if you want to understand how to be Shomer Shabbat, navigating Shabbat alone, prohibitions on Shabbat. From the tools and resources, you have attachments like the Shabbat menu, and it even searches the discussion board and pulls up all the places where people wrote about Shabbat. And more than that, it even searches the comments. So instead of digging through content, you can just type what you need and find it. So if you've been trying to piece this together on your own, this is what Bayit Builders is designed for. Doors are open now, and you can find out more in the link in the description below.